afternoon, everyone. We got some severe extreme weather coming in. Going to play a little recording, about 7-8 minutes, I think it is. That's the news reported about noon for us.
Hey everyone, I'm meteorologist Carlo Falco here at the Fox 5 Stormwatch Severe Weather Center. We are monitoring the high risk for severe weather, which is in effect for central Oklahoma, including western Oklahoma and the Oklahoma City metro. This is specifically for large, damaging, strong, long track, violent tornadoes, which the Storm Prediction Center is expecting to form in southwest Oklahoma and then move towards the north and west as we go throughout the remainder of the afternoon and evening. Oklahoma City is in that extreme threat. I can show that to you right here. We've got Stormwatch Doppler 1 up right now, and this is what we're seeing on our severe outlook. So our severe weather risk right now is high. It includes the Oklahoma City metro. This is today all the way through this afternoon. It is specifically for large, damaging, long-track tornadoes. We are going to be seeing many of these thunderstorms pop up and pushed to the north and east. And this is the thing which is most worrying about it. The Storm Prediction Center has gone above high, and they have put out an extreme chance for tornadoes, which means that a tornado outbreak is very, very possible this afternoon. Strong, damaging, long-track tornadoes are definitely possible, and indeed some of them are expected this afternoon and evening, as the tornado parameters that we look for are extremely high. We are going to continue to see more of these storms start to pop up. We have had a couple showers and thunderstorms in northern Oklahoma. Those were not tornadic, but we are going to be seeing more thunderstorms develop down here and move up towards the north and northeast, potentially into the Oklahoma City metro as we go through tonight. In addition to the tornado threat, there is a hail threat. We could be seeing softball-sized hail or larger and 80-mile-per-hour winds or stronger as we go throughout the day. Now, softball-sized hail is extremely dangerous. If you are in a hailstorm like that, you cannot go outside. Softball-sized hail can kill livestock, it can kill cows, it can certainly kill you. If you are inside in a hailstorm like that, you cannot go outside. You absolutely cannot go outside. It is a life-threatening situation. Again, we have the Storm Prediction Center has put out an extreme risk for tornadoes, which does include the Oklahoma City metro, and points to the west, right along I-40. This is as we have a warm front which is working its way.
All right, on the map, got the word extreme. The last E, we are just below that E in extreme.
Way up to the north, this storm system is really going to latch onto a dry line, which is moving from west to east, and that's going to really fire off those showers and thunderstorms. These thunderstorms are going to be moving through central Oklahoma from now through until about 4 p.m. We are in the window for these thunderstorms to pop up and develop. We are going to continue to monitor this. After these thunderstorms do pop up here, they will quickly move to the north and east. We actually have a model right here that we can show you with what's going to be happening. So right about now, to 2:30, we are going to be seeing a bit of a break, though we are starting to see some of these thunderstorms start to try and develop down to the south and west, out to the east of Kiowa. I'll actually show you what's going on right here. This is Doppler 4. This is one of our, excuse me, another one of our radar systems right there. And you can see these showers and thunderstorms starting to develop. We're going to have to watch them extremely closely, because once they start to really pop up and develop, they are going to quickly start to rotate and quickly start to potentially become tornadic. They could produce some extremely large hail and produce some extremely dangerous winds. If you go on Facebook, follow this. If you need me to log on, I can do it. And
what do you want me to do?
Answer questions.
Okay.
So go on Fox 5. There should be a live video somewhere in there. Just hop onto that and then answer questions as people go. Sorry guys, I'm getting our intern Trey here. He's helping us out. He's in studio with us. He's an OU student. Junior?
I just finished my junior year.
Nice. So he's going to be a senior.
I will be a senior.
He's on the way right now, so he's very knowledgeable. He'll get to your questions. I will not be able to answer all of your questions, especially if it's specific locations and storm threats. So getting back to timing and location of all of these storms, you can see those storms between about now to 2:30 p.m. We could see some showers and thunderstorms pop up southwest. We're going to be watching these storms. You can see that little bubble right by Clinton. This could be a tornadic thunderstorm moving to the north, could be producing some extremely large hail and of course some very damaging tornadoes. We are also watching northwest Texas. Down to the south and west, these thunderstorms are going to continue to develop off of northwest Texas, off of the Texas Panhandle, and move up towards the east and northeast as we go throughout the remainder of the afternoon and evening. You can see that happening by about 5 p.m. Strong and severe thunderstorms likely developing in southwest Oklahoma. They will continue to stretch and move up to the north and east as we go through about 6 p.m. You can see this model is putting a very large, damaging, likely severe, possibly tornadic thunderstorm over the Chickasha area, riding right up I-44 into the southwest Oklahoma City metro. This is really what we're worried about. You can see by about 7 p.m. this model has that severe, possibly tornadic thunderstorm moving through the west metro. Also out by Watonga, also out by Clinton. Any of these little blobs of red could potentially be a severe thunderstorm, could also possibly be tornadic. Moving into about 8 p.m., that once the sun goes down, the tornado threat will diminish pretty quickly, but we will still be dealing with some extremely strong thunderstorms. And then we look down to the southwest, and again, coming in from Texas, we're going to see another batch of very strong and likely severe thunderstorms, which will merge together into this line. And this line is just going to continue to rain over central Oklahoma as we go throughout the remainder of the night. So we have this line of severe thunderstorms by about 1 a.m. into Tuesday morning. These are going to push up to the east, and these will drop a truly biblical amount of rain. I'll try and show you our rain. This is our forecast right here. So this is what we are expecting. Locally, 10 inches or more for the Oklahoma City and points to the north. Oklahoma City could get 4 to 7 inches of rain as we go throughout the afternoon and evening. Let me see if I can pull up a the model output for these this rainfall, just to show you how much rain we really are expecting out of this. So as these storms push off to the northeast, check this out, 6, 7 inches of rain possibly double that in spots. We could be seeing some areas north and northwest of Oklahoma City, even northeast up by Tulsa, getting up to a foot of rain out of this storm. So to say that flash flooding is going to be an issue is an understatement. There are flood warnings already in effect, river flood warnings already in effect. Flash flood watch goes all the way through tomorrow at 7 in the morning, and just an aerial flood advisory. So basically, to sum up, this is a bad situation. It's a very bad storm, a very powerful storm. The last high-risk day for Oklahoma City was 2011. There were 47 tornadoes that were spawned at that point. That was the Piedmont EF5, which stripped bark off the trees. This is also looking very similar to what happened in 2011, April 27th in Alabama. At that storm, there were 65 tornadoes that did touch down. I wrote it down. 62 tornadoes in Alabama itself, 35 in Mississippi. In that single day, there were 14 EF4 or stronger tornadoes, 11 of which were in Alabama, several of which were on the ground at the same time. This is an extremely dangerous situation. Please do not leave your home if you don't need to. You really need to know where your safe spot is. Now is the time to go through and refresh your safety plan, put all of the things you need into your safe spot, and basically get ready, because you don't want to have to run around your house collecting things to put into your safe spot when the tornado warning is issued. Stay safe, guys. We will have your back with everything that does develop when these storms continue to fire and start to fire. So yeah, it's a bad situation. Stay safe out there.
All right. Well, that's an exciting little report that we got. I find it a little troublesome that they go on a 5-grade situation for determining the level of these storms, and they kicked off a 6th level with this storm to extreme. We are weather aware here. We got our plan in place. We do have a storm shelter. It is stocked. It is ready to go. We got bags packed, ready to go. So we will be okay if something happens. But I just wanted to share this a little bit to you. So if for some reason you don't see me on YouTube or Facebook for a while, it's because maybe we lost electricity or lost internet or stuff along those lines. I want to give a special thanks to KOKH Fox 25 News in Oklahoma for providing a video of what's going on. And y'all stay safe out there. I know we are. Y'all take care. Blues Coins is out.